What's going on, guys? Beautiful day here in Michigan. Believe it or not, it just snowed last night, but snow's gone. Got SRAM over. Got this mystery unicorn vehicle out, and you don't know about that one yet. There's been all this hype with the new Spyder Taillights coming out, and lucky enough, my boy SRAM here picked a set up, and we're gonna install those today. Red on red. They're super nice. We did test fit one, so they do work. Now we're gonna show you how to install this one. Show you all the cool stuff it does. Just a few clips. And now the carpet just pulls apart, and that way you'll have access to the back of the taillight. 10 mil deep well to remove the bolts that hold the taillight in place. I always love how the stock taillights look. Here they are on my car. I always consider changing them, but I do love how the stock taillights look. These new ones are really cool, so I might have to consider buying those. Now that the bolts are out, you can easily get to the weather packs to unplug the lights. And that's easy as that.
We use the existing wiring harness. You pull that out. This you gotta push in, and then it slides out. So you twist all the sockets out. And then that's good.
Here are the new Spyders.
So then you want to take all the bulbs out. Blue and black one is going to go to the yellow and black. And what you want to do is make sure that this black wire lines up with this black wire when you put it in. And then they just twist in. So that one connects, and then the blue goes to yellow. So the white and black, same thing. Make sure the two black wires are lined up. And then this connector just clips right in. This connector, I don't know what it's for, but it doesn't plug into anything that I see.
But they do fit pretty good for aftermarket. It hooks back up. Simply put the nuts back on. And that's about it. Definitely not a hard install at all. It's pretty straightforward. But it's a great exterior mod that an older style rear end and adds a little bit of flair to it. It's all buttoned up. Put the carpet back up, reinstall this plastic piece, and that's pretty much it. So here they are, both on. Like I said, you can see mine over there. Adds a crazy look to them. It just looks futuristic now. Really livens up the rear end. So Shrammy Boy's gonna go through and show you what it can do. We'll show you what they look like in daytime. This is how they are just off. You can kind of see this bar is on now. There's the brake light. There's the sequential turn signal. And there's the reverse light. So now we'll back it up in my garage and we'll show you what it looks like in a darker setting. After seeing these now, I'm probably going to pick a pair up. Still undecided with what color I want to go with, since they have these red ones, and then I'll show you a picture right here of the black ones. So I'm not really sure which ones I'm going to go with, but I'm definitely going to pick a set up. So here they are with the hazards on. How you like them, buddy?
I think they're sick.
Definitely a good pickup. If you have any questions at all, let us know. We can help you out. But the red on red looks really cool. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys like the new lights installed. They look amazing. Definitely would recommend them. Pick them up before they're gone. Only a limited quantity for now, I think. So if you're looking to get these, I'd make the purchase soon. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Too cold.